Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Softbox light. So I ordered it from eBay, and I ordered it on the 18th, and it just got here today, which is the 28th. So I decided to do a little quick unboxing and showing y'all, me setting it up and letting you know what I think about it and, all that. So this is actually my first Softbox light. We already had a ring light, but it's actually my daughter's ring light, but we still both, use it. So I wanted to have an extra light, so I decided to go with, the Softbox light. So it was $38.90 before my discount. They gave me a $5 off, discount. So I ended up spending $33.90, for the whole thing. And I only needed one because I don't have like the extra, storage for two. So I only needed one because we already have the, ring light. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and set it up real quick and let y'all know, what I think about it and see how bright it, shows. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. So y'all, this part was a little flimsy, so I had to go on YouTube real quick to try to figure out how to get it to like expand. So this little black part, the little round circle part, I have to push it in order to lock it in place. So yeah, here's the light bulb. I'm about to go ahead and install it. All right, y'all, so I finally got it set up, so it's good to go. So over here is just a lot of little adjustments, little things here. So right here is to loosen up, to take this off, and this one is for to raise it up or down. And y'all know it has the little switch on it, so it's the on and off switch right there. So, and right here is to adjust the height, up or down. And right here is to, you can open this up to, it won't turn. Okay, so yeah, right here is just to turn it at a 360 degree angle, so you can leave it open to spin it around like that. So yeah, that is to spin it around, and you can lock it if you want it to stay in one position. So I had to figure this out. Off camera. So yeah, this is locked. So that is what this one is for, and this is to expand the leg on it. So yeah, this is to expand the legs on it. So yeah, it's all ready and set up. So I actually like it. It's super bright. Turn it back on. So y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. So yeah, that's it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.